We put our plans on the wall today, and you can see we have our plumbing plan, we have our electric plan, and we have our receptacle and appliance plan. So now each trade, when they come into the job site, will be actually able to see what each trade is doing, where the dimensions are, and what's being done for each phase. So nobody cross paths, nobody puts something in somebody's way. So with our right way to renovate process, we have a book on the job site, which has everything that's needed in there, from the scope of work to the actual plans, down to all the mechanical layouts and all the installation instructions. So now the contractors don't have to go to the actual products, find them, find the instructions, and then figure out what needs to be done. They can just go to the book, it's on the job site, everybody knows what needs to be done. This speeds up the process. So you can see we're in the mudroom today, and our new laundry room is all roughed in. So our washer dryer, it now has an in-wall box with independent shutoffs. We've got a new laundry sink roughed in. And in the kitchen area, we've got our new plumbing roughed in for our new kitchen sink under the window, and our island bar sink right here. We also relocated the plumbing for the upstairs bathroom, so everything is tucked in behind the cabinetry to make room for the double ovens, pantry, and refrigerator that are going on this wall. So the last phase of the mechanical plumbing section is the wet bar. So we added a bar sink behind the service bar so they'll have water to fill beverages and to clean glasses.